After Effects just quietly changed rotoscoping forever. In the new beta, Adobe introduced something called Object Matte, and it's essentially an evolution of the Roto Brush workflow. Now, it doesn't completely replace rotoscoping at all, but it absolutely changes how you start. Let me break down what each tool actually does. So Object Matte is the big headline feature. Instead of painting your subject in with a brush first, you can now click directly on the object or use a marquee or lasso selection tool. And After Effects is going to use AI segmentation to isolate it, remove the background, aka rotoscope. You don't even need to hit freeze anymore, which is great as it auto-analyzes the clip in real time. And from testing, it's noticeably faster and more stable than the old propagation workflow. So the real shift here is this. You're no longer starting with manual strokes. You're starting with an AI selection, then refining from there. That's the evolution, and the whole thing is way faster. So quick selection, it's basically the new Roto Brush. It works the exact same way. Brush to define your subject, propagate forward, and that's it. But it feels more responsive, cleaner UI feedback, and just a bit tighter overall. If you're used to Roto Brush, you'll feel at home immediately, as it's not a reinvention, it's a refinement, and it took me all of 2 minutes to get used to. And honestly, that's kind of the theme right now: less manual tracking and more intelligent tracking. After Effects is doing it with subjects, and inside Premiere, you're seeing the exact same shift, but with framing. So if you've ever edited a 3-person podcast in 2 vertical clips, then you know the pain. Every time someone talks, you're keyframing the crop over and over. But Brevidy's new auto crop feature just follows whoever is speaking and reframes it for 9:16 right inside of Premiere. It's one of those things that used to take a half day, and now it's just a few minutes.
Try it free for a limited time today.
Now, back to the selection brush tool inside of After Effects. So this tool is going to be your precision tool. Selection brush allows additive and subtractive strokes, but it only selects exactly what you draw. There's not really any smart expansion or guessing going on here. So this is for manual fine tuning. If AI gets you 95% of the way, then this tool is going to get you to 100%. Think of it like painting your selection, but with intent. Now, the refine edge stays pretty much the exact same. It's still your go-to for hair, fur, and soft edge detail. If you've used it before, nothing really changes here, which is honestly good as it already worked really well. But like everything else, it is noticeably faster. So this update isn't about removing rotoscoping at all. It's about shifting the starting point. You go from let me paint this in manually to let me click the subject, then refine from there. If you roto regularly, this is a meaningful workflow upgrade. It's not flashy, but it's practical and honestly, slightly overdue. So let me know in the comments, are you feeling the new update or should we just leave things how they are? Peace.